Hello again. Right, the subject of this session or this video is going to be, like I promised, jointing. And here I've selected a handful of the outer bits that do just that, jointing. So let's take them a couple at a time. Let's do a very common, very popular one, tongue and groove. Starting off with, you have the tongue and the groove. The same long way around because these are mirror of the actual joint. Right, so let's get on with this one first. Now we start off with the tongue one. The reason for that is that once you've cut the tongue, you can set this one, which is what will be accepting the tongue in the groove, you can set this to the tongue you've created. That way you're more likely that it's going to all fit. Do it the other way around, very difficult working out if it's going to actually go in. So we start off with the tongue. Put this down now until it's just about working with your piece of wood. So basically you run it down, use your wood to judge it with these. Don't use measures, gauges and such, because you want to make sure it's going to actually do the job you want it to do. So look along the line of the wood and make sure it's even where it wants to be. That is now exactly, leave a little bit of top, a little bit of bottom. I can sort that out later, but that's exactly where I want it to be. Now again, we need to neutralise the bearing. The bearing this time is inside the two of them, so you need something reasonably thin to be able to do it. Bring on your fence. I'm going to be working that way, so I don't need my mitre gauge, so that I'm not bothered about. This, set it to there, like so. Now, if you're a little bit worried that there's a lot of material there, you can come forward, do a bit, and then run it again, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm well back there, and I'm doing about half of it. A bit of leftover cracknel there. Now, having looked at the length of the tongue on that, I've decided that's enough for this. We don't need it anymore. So I can remove this now and then go for the groove. Make sure it's plenty. Also make sure these nuts are tight on these ones. It is. Okay, now like I said, we're going to use the other piece to set the angle on this. And that's it. Basically, you see, at the end there, you can see where it's sitting. And that makes it perfect. Okay, so I can lock that bit off, because that's now exact. But now we need to use this as well to set how deep it's going to be. So bring this close to it. That was before. And sit that, so you've got the blade forward, sit this on top and use it like you do when bottoming a bearing. Bring it to it. Now as it's a groove, you can let it be a little slack. That way you've got a little bit of wood, a little bit of space for glue. Which is always good. When you come in a little bit on that. With such big bits, always be a little bit cautious that you've made sure everything is done correctly. There you have your tongue and groove. Quite simple, quite straightforward. Sets in quite easily, works quite well. Okay, this time's another tongue and groove, but this time a little bit different of shape. You see, we've got a V groove there, but more importantly, it's one piece. The other one, you heard how noisy it was and such, is because you've got two separate blades, slightly out of balance, you get a lot of noise, a lot of vibration, and they can be quite dangerous. These, one piece, you don't use that too much of a problem. Okay, right, again, you start with the one that develops the tongue. So insert that one in, don't let it bottom. I'm going to use the same wood again, but this time I'll do it on the opposite side. So I've got it on that side, I should get this side, so we've got a little comparison to be able to do. As tongue, yeah, put it on that one. Again, using the wood as our gauge for the height. That looks like that as near as possible, because this is bigger than the wood. So I'm just aiming it so that the tongue is as close to the centre as possible. And we've got some protection as well this time, that's good. Right, we're going to go full depth to this. So we shall bottom out with the blade there. And just come forward with the mill so you're not actually forcing it too much. There we are. Okay, let's try this. That's tongue, that's that one, that's that one. Good. Okay. Give it a go. That gave me a very nice smooth ride, did that? It was a lovely joint as well, very clean. A lot better than that other set. Okay, change the blade. This one, you are aiming at the tongue. Perfect, yeah. That feels perfect. And when you're coming forward with the rip fence, you're doing it with the bearing being just neutralised. That's it, and this time we're going with that one. I like that. That's a good joint, that one. I can't get it apart either. But yes, that's a very good joint. Now you look at that one, you can hardly see the joint. Now you can. And that's just pushed together. Right, okay, well I think that's enough for this video. We've done 2 joints, that's plenty enough. But I've got some very interesting ones to come. So, in the next one, I want to do some interesting mitre joints. I've got a couple of different ones I want to show you. Very good joints. Okay, right, well, once again, thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing here, please stick a like in there. At least I know I'm going down the right track. And don't forget, if you can, if you know, liking me that much, you can do a bit of sponsoring. You just hit that link I put at the bottom and sponsor me, or buy me a pint or whatever. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Interlocking mitre joint. Comb joint. on my directional joint. Raised panel door.